Take a picture?
Okay, Joe!
Oh, dude, fuck us. Fuck everyone in this shitty ass town.
Oh, everyone's so
there's
screwed.
that too.
Yeah.
How are we getting off this fucking mountain?
There's no way we can check out.
No way.
At least no one's checking back in. Did you guys
Yeah.
throw away all the food?
No, we have all.
Okay, except for the salsa. Throw away the salsa.
Yes. It's also good stuff.
At least we don't have the trash in here. That's not like that.
Let's go to IHOP.
Yeah, leave them back there.
I don't even think they're open. Oh, they are open.
They are open. It's
I don't
like
know why.